Hello, this is Professor Urbis White. This is the orientation video to get started in your Math 253 online spring of 2017, ticket 61315. Your lifeline is going to be your IVC website, ivc.edu. This is where you will access your email, Blackboard, and my webpage. You can access my webpage through ivc.edu/faculty/iwhite. My phone number is 949-451-5506. Email address is iwhite@ivc.edu. My office hours are Tuesdays, it is 12:30 to 2. Wednesdays, 11 to 2. Thursdays, 12:30 to 1. My office is in B262D in the B200 building, and these hours may change as we go along, and I will post the changes online. I am your instructor, and I'm available in B262D during office hours and phone calls. Your Math Center is accessible in B363, and it's free. Ask a tutor to sign you up for TU301. Their hours are Monday through Thursday, 8 to 6:50 p.m., Friday and Saturday, 8 to 12:50 p.m. If you have computer problems with IVC, call 949-451-5696. If you run into problems with MyMathLab Pearson, here's the phone number to call. Once you register for this class and go inside Blackboard, make sure you read all your announcements and print out the transcription while you watch the orientation video and follow through. Inside Blackboard, you need to submit the contract, entry survey, and orientation form. You need to do that by January 13, 7 p.m. If you cannot do that, come to in-person orientation at 7 p.m. on January 13, not to be dropped for no show. Inside Blackboard, you can access the contract, survey, and orientation form right here. For entry survey, you need to fill in after clicking on the link. Just tell me about yourself. For contract, you need to read it, then bubble true at the bottom to complete it. For orientation form, again, you need to read it and bubble true at the bottom. To get ready, please read Signing Up with Pearson orientation link, and everything in there, here's the arrow pointing at it. Now, you will have to go to Pearson, MyMathLab Pearson, via Blackboard. You will have to click MyMathLab to go there. Once you get in, the system will prompt you with this page. Click on eText. Now, you have two options. You can purchase access with a credit card. You can go to bookstore and buy a standalone access in an envelope. Or you can buy a new book that's wrapped with the access code. This will provide you a very long code that you need to enter after clicking on this link. For credit card access, after clicking on credit card purchase icon, enter all your personal information to make the payment. There is a link at the bottom of this page that will allow you temporary access. I recommend that you do not use it to show me commitment and get started right away. You need to do this and get a permanent access by January 13 if you are not attending the in-person orientation, and by January 17 if you added late or attended orientation. Now, inside the Pearson, the system will ask you, once you start purchasing it, for username and password. Please use the first part of your email for username. Add 9 if it's already in use. Enter a password that you will remember. If it does not ask you that information, just don't worry about it. But I do not have that information for you. What does a no-show drop mean? You will not be dropped for no-show if you finish the orientation requirements by January 13, 7 p.m. For that, you need to complete the entry survey, contract, and orientation form. You need to email me that you did so. And you need to purchase access to MyMathLab Pearson. If you attended the orientation on January 13 and complete all these requirements, and you can have a few more days until January 17 to complete the survey, contract, orientation form, email, and access. The access is immediate once you pay. Once you are inside the system, put deadlines in your phone or calendar. You get the deadlines from the syllabus. Eventually, you will watch the videos, do homework and quizzes inside Pearson. Everything has a deadline. Deadlines are shown in your syllabus. You can work on homework ahead of schedule. You can have infinite trials for homework. Quizzes are only one take. There will be no late submittals or retakes. Class videos are inside Pearson Access. You need to work in this order. You need to watch the videos, read your book, do your homework, take your quizzes. Blackboard has the list of videos you need to watch. Go under videos to get a printout. You will find the videos inside Pearson, and you need to go to multimedia right here. You need to click on a chapter and then look at section videos, and it will list all the videos available on that chapter. Click on them and watch them. And I recommend you take notes while you're watching and put them in your binder. Now, let me go back. You read your book inside Pearson as well. It is under chapter contents. Now that you read your book and watched the video, you can go do homework and quizzes. And those are inside Pearson. Another requirement keeps on jumping. Another requirement is email quizzes, and that's inside Pearson as well. You need to keep contact with me. This will help you stay focused. To do that, you need to email me summarizing your progress in the body of your email. Make sure you put Math 253 online in the subject line. Now, then you access Pearson and access the quizzes, email quizzes. Click on email 1, 2, so forth. Then the system will prompt you to select true. Then you'll get credit for your email. If you forget to do this step, you'll not get credit for your email. Now, discussions. Discussions are inside the Blackboard. This will help you keep positive and effective contact and to stay in contact with your fellow classmates. You need to access discussions inside Blackboard. There is a graded discussion board at the end of each chapter. These discussions have deadlines. You can see and comment about your classmates' answers and network with them. I will chime in as needed and give you feedback. To post discussion comments, access a particular discussion and click on the link right here. You can comment to a fellow classmate or you can just post your answer. In-person meetings. I'm summarizing. Make sure you put those in your calendar. There are 3. The first one is optional. Now, the mandatory in-person midterm is March 10, 7 to 9 p.m., Bistic 104. I will email you instructions about 1 week before that date. The final exam, May 19, 7 to 9 p.m. in Bistic 104. You have to take the final exam to pass this class. I will email you the details. Additional meetings. I may have a few in-person review sessions 1 week prior to the midterm and final. This will depend on the interest. I will email you the information and ask if you want to come. They will probably be on a Friday evening because it is easier to find a classroom during that time. Another way I will stay in touch with you is Blackboard Talk. That's inside Blackboard. This is pretty much a chat line. And you can ask me in person questions about your homework or any kind of issue that you see fit. This will be a great semester. See all of you online. Thank you for watching.